Recently, I have come across a model from Bria AI called RMGB 2.0. This model is specifically trained for background removal process, and it is an improvement over their previous generation RMGB v1.4. And this model is specifically trained for content creator at enterprise level, so that they can remove background from product images and then add their choice of background and make the images stunning. And if you look here, they have provided some sample and it seems to be working great. And in order to test this, I have myself built a small demo application which basically uses that, removes the background and help you adjust a new background. So let's check that out. So first I'll add an image and click on remove background. You can see the quality is good and it is fast as well, about 900 MB of the size of the model. Then if I choose another background just for testing purpose, you'll see that I have clean object identified and segmented. And then this application does is creates the final result and you can download the image. So in this video, let's look into how to utilize the model and run the minimum amount of code to remove background from an image. So before I move forward, you need to understand, in order to access this model, you need to fill a form. There will be a form here when you go to this application or this model page. And once you fill the form, you can access the model. Now, let's look into the code section itself. There is a clear UV lock and requirements.txt file in case you want to get the code and replicate at your end. I'm using Python version 3.12.11. You can use UV to create a specific Python version and install the dependency. The first thing I'm doing is checking if I have GPU available or not. In my case, I have GPU. This model, however, works on CPU as well. And download the model. Once the model is downloaded, then there is some transformation that we apply into the input image. Then you provide the input image path, create a PIL image and transform the image and then pass to the model, and the model will give you a mask. And when you remove the mask pixel from the image, you will have a background remove image. So I have this giraffe image. Let's run the model on the image. So I'll say uv run main.py. Since I have CUDA available, it is using CUDA, and here is no BG image removed. I have one more test image as well of myself. Let's use that, test_3, and let me run the file one more time. You can see it works very well in removing the background, and you can see there is a clear separation of pixels between my fingers and here around my head as well, around shoulders. You can see this is very great work from the RMGB model. So I guess this is it from my side for this video. In case you want to get the code that I have used in this video, you can check out my GitHub repository. The link for it is in the description of this video. In case you want to get the application that I have shown during the first half of the video, you can check the description. I have put a link of the code into the description as well. Finally, I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and if you do so, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.